Hi Airdrop hunters, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today we are going to be interacting with Scroll. Scroll is a ZK rollup that seeks to solve scalability and high cost of gas issues on Ethereum blockchain. They have raised about $30 million from Polychain Capital, Bain Capital Crypto, Robot Ventures, Geometry DAO and others. Their testnet is currently on and their mainnet is set to launch in August. Although Scroll have not officially confirmed any airdrop, but there is likely going to be reward for testers. However, the only time you have something to regret is when you did not take any action at all. And moreover, it's free of charge to participate in the testnet and it only takes 10 minutes of your time. So why not just do it and be among those who can expect a reward from them in the future? So let's get started. So we're going to head over to our testnet website, and that is scroll.io/alpha. Every link that we'll be using for the interaction of this testnet, I will have them pinned in the comment section of this video and also in the description of this video. So you're going to tap on the Join Alpha Testnet button. This website takes a while to load, so you are going to have to exercise patience when you are interacting with it. And when you are done, since you are a tester, this is part of the feedback that you can give them in their Discord server. Next, you are going to tap on Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask, that is what we are using for this interaction. Unlock your wallet. Tap on Next and tap on Connect. Switch your network to Gweli. So now that your wallet is connected, we need to get some Gweli tokens, testnet tokens that we are going to use for the testing. So copy your wallet address and head over to Faucet.com and get some Gweli ETH for yourself. So in order to prevent spam attacks and bots and abuse of testnet funds, they have updated their terms of use. Now you need to have 0.001 Mainnet ETH, like normal ETH, the real money ETH. You have to have 0.001 of it in your wallet before you can claim testnet Gweli on the same wallet. So paste your wallet address and complete the captcha in order to get some testnet funds. Remember to log in. You need to log in to be able to use the faucet as well. And if you don't have an account, you need to create one to be able to use the Gweli faucet. So I have been able to successfully claim the Gweli ETH. Now I'll return to the testnet website. Okay, so before we get started, we are going to be dealing with two networks. One is Gweli ETH and the second network is Scroll Alpha network. Okay, I need to connect my wallet again. So you need to add both networks to your MetaMask. I already have Gweli network on my MetaMask. If you don't have, you need to tap on Add to MetaMask to add each of the networks to your MetaMask. If I try to add Gweli to MetaMask again, it is going to bring a message that I am already on that chain on MetaMask. So what I need to do is go ahead and add the Scroll Alpha testnet to MetaMask since I don't have that already. You can see that you are already on Gweli testnet, so it's only the Scroll Alpha network that I need to add to my MetaMask now. I'll complete that action in my wallet. I'll tap on approve. And I'll tap on switch network. So now that the network has been added to our MetaMask, the next thing is to carry on with our testnet interaction. Tap on the sidebar menu and select Bridge. What we are expected to do here is to make a bridge between Gweli testnet and Scroll Alpha testnet. That is, you are going to send an Ethereum that is on Gweli testnet to the Scroll Alpha testnet. So here you are going to indicate the number of Ethereum you want to send on Gweli. I'll be sending 0.01. Then tap on Send ETH to Scroll Alpha testnet. You complete the transaction in your wallet. So bridging on the Scroll website can actually take as long as 20 minutes. So if yours is taking a lot of time, don't think that something is wrong with your network, it's normal. As for me as well, because I will be needing the ETH on the Scroll Alpha testnet in the subsequent transactions we'll be doing. So because of that, I'll have to wait for about 20 minutes for the transaction to be successful before continuing this video. You can check the status of a transaction by clicking on that icon, and you can see here it says pending. I made 2 transactions and both are pending. So I'll pause the video and then come back after 20 minutes when the transaction is successful. So it has been 20 minutes and I'm back. First of all, I need to connect my wallet again. So let's check the status of our transaction now. So as you can see, our transaction is now successful. So we can carry on with the remaining testnet interaction. So the next thing we want to do is we are going to visit the Rinkeby Bridge, and we are also going to make a bridge transaction there as well. I'll paste the link in the comment section. I'll have it pinned in the comment section. Connect your Orbiter website to your MetaMask. So that is Gweli at the top, and where you have Arbitrum, you are going to tap on it and you're going to change the network to Scroll Alpha. Scroll, you are going to see Scroll Alpha. So that is Scroll Alpha. You're going to tap on Scroll Alpha to switch the network, to choose the network. Now indicate the number of tokens you want to send on from Gweli to Scroll Alpha. I'll be sending 0.01. Then tap on Send. Tap on Confirm and Send. Tap on Confirm. So normally bridging can take some time, so I'll be pausing this video the second time and wait for the bridging here to be successful. So our bridging is completed. We're going to head to the last website for this video and do another transaction. We're going to head to Uniswap. I'll drop the link in the comment section. So you tap on that little drop down arrow at the top, and then you see scroll alpha at the bottom. Tap on scroll alpha to switch your network to scroll alpha. Switch from Gweli to scroll alpha. Now what we want to do this time is to do a swap between Ethereum on scroll alpha network to USDC on scroll alpha network. So choose your token, choose USDC at the bottom. So you are making a transfer between ETH and USDC on scroll alpha network. Indicate the number of ETH that you're going to transfer to USDC. And that's the amount of Testnet USDC that you'll be getting. Then tap on swap, confirm swap, and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Our transaction is successful. Now, this is not the end of our interaction with the scroll testnet. There are still other websites that we need to interact with, but the video is getting too long, so I'll be ending it here, and then I'll make a subsequent video and post that probably tomorrow on the remaining websites we need to interact with and how we need to interact with them. If you encounter any bugs while you were interacting with the scroll website, you can go to their Discord server and go to the general chat, or you go to support, general support, and then drop whatever complaint you have when you were interacting with the website. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Every link that you need is pinned in the comment section. Please avoid clicking any random links that you find. If it is not pinned in the comment section, don't click on it. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section. If you have found value in my content, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, share my videos with others, and thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.